6 million people live in Rome.
Yeah.
Oh. Voin hi ni som hi pakhat September. Sang ni le som hi pathum ania tuna hian Rome khopuya kan oma Roma. Khopuya Eternal City anti mo. Chuan tuna hian Zindar
718.
okay, Zindar sari le minute som pariat ania kan thlenna hotel Marini. Hotel atangin hey darkar chan vevel kan tlandona Vatican City minute som ni ania kan thlenna hotel atang khan ama ero chu traffic awang hianin minute som li panga thlen po in stretch theya chuan tuna hian hei kan pan me kan Vatican City himo. Okay, driver,
Yeah.
how do I call you? May I know your name?
My name is Roberto.
Roberto.
Yeah.
Okay, Roberto, hi. Hello, Roberto.
Hello, how are you?
I am good, ciao.
Ciao.
So Roberto is our Uber driver. He's a good man.
Thank you.
You are Italian?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm original.
You are
I-
original
Yeah,
Italian.
I'm born in Rome, studied in Rome, work only
Oh,
Rome.
only Rome.
In Fontaine Trevi and the Colosseo.
Oh,
This is my preference.
Oh, the fountain and Colosseum.
Yeah.
Yesterday we went to Colosseum.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
you like?
We like it, but we did not enter inside.
No?
No.
Oh no,
No
madam.
time, no time.
No have a time. The next time you enter inside of the Colosseo,
Okay.
you live another year, another
Oh.
age.
Okay.
You one jump in the Romano.
Oh, okay.
It's very very nice.
Wow. And Trevi Fountain, is it far from the Vatican?
No more. You think or you take the metro and the line red and arrive at the Spanish Steps, and the Spanish Steps is 5 minutes walk, or you take one Uber with 15 minutes you stand the Fontaine Trevi.
15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Okay, okay.
But you enter the Vatican in the museum.
Uh-huh.
Usually the museum, all the tour is 3 hours. You
Oh.
finish the tour. If you have a time,
Okay.
Fontaine Trevi is fantastic.
Okay. But we don't have internet on our phone, so can we take a local taxi?
But Uber, you call Uber.
No internet.
No internet.
Oh, no internet.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you exit the museum and near the place of the live now.
Okay.
You have
Taxi.
the taxi, but the normal taxi is max is 4 people for 1 car. Don't have the van.
How much will they charge me?
The charge
Yeah,
is
price.
usually 20-25 euro for a trip,
Oh, okay.
for ride.
Okay. When is the best time to visit Rome?
The
Best time.
the
month?
best time is May and June.
May and June.
Yeah.
Is it not raining?
No, no, no.
Okay.
It's the temperature you think arrive near to 25 to 27, 28. You have more time, more hour for the light.
Oh.
Don't problem with hot.
Okay.
Is and it's fantastic time.
May and June.
Yeah, usually the amount of rain in Rome is October, November, and one part of the September,
Okay.
and March, April.
Okay.
Usually the May fine to August is sun.
Oh.
More people think in Rome the problem is the winter, but usually the temperature arrive is 0, 1, 2 grade.
Oh.
But the problem in Rome is the sun. It's very hot.
Oh.
You think in August the temperature arrive to 42, 43 grade.
Oh.
It's very hot.
Okay, okay. Roma hianin scooty hi anwar khop me khu khu ti lai kan ma atlan teng scooty te ku anunga mi khu tiang om khu mizoro mga chuanin food delivery te ho kanin mang china delivery ho hian chu ban delivery hi ang he ka ti thei khop me ma se he kan driver hian ani lawe delivery chu a hring te a em te in lo omanga antia uber eats an lo mang ve na sa a delivero an ti au boka chuanin kung tu na mi kan scooty huang chi kha cha anunga bom omang chi hi chu an helmet vel ten da na tur ani a an raincoat ten da atia chu wang chuanin an mangwar em matin electric scooter ang chi kami khal teng teng ang chi te kha ang teng chi te poka an mangwar le bokani hei Vatican halaya an biak in hi kovela biak in lian der interior measurement atang chuan kovela biak in lian der ani a kum khata po ni kum chung ringot po kan mi no isonga panga velin halai mun hi phal jin an lo to ani ta thank you Roberto, thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.